Hello. In this video I'm going to talk about some important tips about caring young almonds. Well, these are the almonds we planted before. They have reached this level of growth after 17 days. And as you can see, they're still young. Well, at this time, try always to keep an eye out for pests and also protect plants from diseases. This is very important because plants are still young and they are too vulnerable. And the next thing is that they must be watered regularly because they may dry out. But remember, almonds don't tolerate overly wet soil, and they are extremely susceptible to a spring frost. And if you're going to plant almonds outdoor, you may notice honeybees around them. Try not to kill them because they're the best pollinators and they're good for the plants. And at the end, although almonds are tolerant of any soil or weather, they need regular watering and good soil if we want our trees to bear good fruits. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'm going to explain how to make almond tea. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.